Welcome to Edexcel Computer Science, and we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 5, Communication and Internet. So we have successfully completed our unit number 1, problem solving, unit number 2, programming, unit number 3, data, unit number 4, computers, right? Tomorrow, we have a test of the topic 3, data, isn't it?
Yeah, Friday. That's when we said it. Yeah.
Tomorrow. So now we
Yeah.
have to start our new chapter, that's Unit 5, Communication and Internet, right? Okay.
Right.
Now, what do you mean by communication? I think we have discussed about the communications that communication means to talk, to send message, right? This is the meaning of communications. It means that one person or thing like computer is going to send messages, sending emails, and this thing is called communication, right? So exchange of information, you can say exchange of information is called communications. Is it okay?
Yeah.
What is communication?
It's the exchange of informations.
Exactly. So computer provides a word called networks. What do you mean by networks? Any idea?
Like how devices, a place where devices connect together.
Very
The internet.
good. Network means the devices are connected with each other and can share information. So look, I have drawn a network here. In this diagram, you can see every computer is connected with each other via a wire. This is a wire, okay? And there is one computer which is going to connect all the computers together. This computer is called server. What it's called? Server. S-E-R-V-E-R, server. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Main computer in a network is called server. And these computer number 1, computer number 2, computer number 3, they all are called clients. They all are called clients. Is that okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Or you can set node, N-O-D-E, node. So these computers are connected together to share the information that is called network. So network is a group of computers which are connected with each other to share data. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Great. A network is a collection of 2 or more computers that are connected together for the purpose of sharing the resources. The same thing I told you, that the computers are connected together to form a network. The basic purpose of networking is communication, sharing the resources, right? So the tablets, your laptop, gaming system, all are linked in a network. So many network include servers. I told you what are servers? See here, server is the main computer. Did you see this? What is server? Server is the
main
computer, which is going to manage all the computers of a network. So a server is a powerful computer that provides network with services. Yes. So a network means a group of computer, but they must have a service. So that service is going to be provided by the server. So why are network used? Can you tell me why we use networks?
Because a network can support multiple users accessing multiple services at the same time.
Exactly.
Almost all organizations, small or large, including schools, have a computer network that provides multiple services to its users.
Yes. So basically, network is a group of computer. When many computers are connected, they are going to perform any task like sharing of data. So this is the basic purpose of networks, that sharing can become easy. Communication becomes easy, right? So if you see small
Yeah,
business or any school, they all are having their own networks. So with the help of that networks, you're connected to the network or the school network. So the network allow multiple users to read, write personal files on a central server, to access shared files among several servers and users, to download the data, to send a shared, oh yes, to send data to a shared printer. Okay, let me give you a very good example. In your school, there is a computer lab. In that computer lab, there are many computers, but there is only one printer. Why? This is only one printer.
because all the computers are connected to it.
Excellent. All the computers, look, I'm connecting. All the computers connected with a single printer. So it means that you can share your hardware or software on a network. So there is no need to put 15 printers into a computer lab for the 15 users. No, only one printer is enough because there is a sharing option, because we all use as a network. So you use network to access your internet. You use network to communicate with each other, right?
Yeah.
Now, the question is, how many types of networks are there? So basically, the three most famous types of networks are local area network called LAN, wide area network called WAN, and personal area network called PAN. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what is local area network? Any idea?
Uh, Local area network.
Yeah.
Like, you want my definition or you want me to read?
No, no, you don't need to read. Do you know about it? Like do you know anything about
Like,
local area network?
I know the like LAN and online is different.
Okay,
LAN is
okay.
like within your region, like in like a room or something.
Look, local area network basically is a small network, right? It is a small network that covers a relatively small geographical area, like in your home. Near your home, there are several other homes. That homes, including your home, is using a local area network. There is a school using a local area network. There's a hospital using a local area network. So the offices, the small companies, hospitals, the schools, they all use a very simple and small network called local area network, right? So this is often a single
Right.
site such as a home, a hospital, or a factory. The hardware, we use cables and routers that connect the computers. Yes, in your home. Do you have a router?
Yeah, of
In
course.
your home? Your router is connected with any cable, a blue color cable. So look, the router is
No,
here. Which color cable is there?
I think we have a yellow one.
Oh, no problem. You have a yellow color. That's fiber optic cable. That's called fiber optic cable.
Oh,
Yes. So it means you got a fiber optic connection. That's great. So what is the question that a local area network is connected with the help of the routers and the cables, and it is used for small area or a town So that connects the computers, servers, and other hardware devices. So many people have a WLAN. Yes, you have a WLAN, means wireless local area network. Like you have a laptop, you have a cell phone, you have a tablet in your home. Everything is connected with internet without a wire. That type of network is called a wireless local area network. So a wireless router allows the computer devices in a household to access the internet. Yes, your mobile is connected with the internet. Your tablet is connected to the internet without any wire, because in your router, there is an option of WLAN. So you are connected without any wire, right? Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what you have
Yeah.
to,
Yeah.
you
Understand.
need to take out your notebook. First, you need to make a network diagram figure here. Then you need to write down about the network, right? And then you need to write 2 reasons why we use network. I want 2 reasons for this. 2 reasons. I'm writing 2R, okay? First, you need to draw this
Okay.
figure. This figure is mandatory. Then you need to write down this in your own wording, okay? And then you have to write down 2 reasons, okay? And types of network, we learn about the local area network, right? And we know that
All
local
right.
area network is a network which is going to be cover a small geographical area, right? Now, the next category of networks is a wide area network. As the name suggests, wide, it means it covers a large geographical area, usually across several sites of an organization. Each site has one or more LANs, and they are all connected together to make a WAN. Okay, now this is a computer, and this is a computer. This one is your computer. You are in UAE, right? Okay.
Yeah.
And this is my computer. I am in Pakistan. Okay.
Right.
Now, I am connected with my local area network, right? And you are connected with your local area network. Is that okay? But you
Yeah.
and me are both connected right now. And we are creating a wide area network. So wide area network means the local area networks are connected together to make a wide area network, right?
Yeah.
You are sitting in a
Right.
different country or city. I'm sitting in a different country or city, but we are connected with the help of our internet, and we are creating a wide area network. So look, as they are connected together to make a WAN. The WAN allow employees on different sites to communicate and share data. So I'm on another site, you're on another site, and we're connected, and we are creating a WAN. Why did it? Right?
Right.
Okay, personal area network is a network communicating between computer devices, such as a laptop, mobile, tablets, and media players. They may be the devices belonging to one person or several. So PAN means your home personal area network. So your domestic things like your computer, your laptop, your cell phone, the tablet, all are connected with a router in your home. And that is called personal area network. So the PAN may just connect the local devices or allow them to connect with the higher type network, such as internet. Yes, like right now, you're using your laptop, which is connected with a PAN. But with the help of that personal area network, you're taking my line, my class. So that thing creates a huge network that makes a WAN. So once you're connected with me, taking an online lesson, connected with me on a line, that thing is referred as a wide area network. But if you're not taking lesson, you're playing game, on your computer, you're connected with your mobile phone, and you are developing your personal area network inside your home, right? So the range, the devices usually communicate wirelessly over a distance of up to 10 meters. So your home network range is 10 meters, right? With the help of radio waves using a technology called Bluetooth. So you're connected with the technology called Bluetooth, right? But not now. Right now, you're connected wirelessly, right? We are not using Bluetooth technology here. Did you get it?
Yeah, I get it. But like,
Yeah.
so Bluetooth is its own like network or like its own thing?
In your home, you are using a PAN within a home. But if you're going to be connect with a printer or something, that's become a local area network. And if you're connected with this local area network with me for an online lesson, that makes a wide area network. So step by step, the technology, the categories are going to be changed. Is that okay?
Right.
Great.
Yeah.
Now, what you have to do, you need to write down some properties of networks, features, called features. So you need to write 3 features. Once you finish, let me know. I will move you to the next task.
Okay, 1 second.
So now in this figure, you can see this is your LAN, okay? So this is your
Yeah.
computer, your area computer. This is somebody else's computer of your area. This is a printer. This is computer, and this is server, the most powerful computer, right? And again, we have a computer. So you can see here, all these computers with a printer is connected together and forming a LAN. Now, this is another LAN. This is another LAN. All these LANs are connected to form what?
Network? A WAN.
No,
Oh,
wide area network. Look, the same diagram I have drawn here. 2 different LANs are connected together and form a wide area network. Isn't it?
yeah.
You understand the logic of wide area network?
Yeah, I get it now.
Great,
Just a bunch of local area networks.
great. Okay, in the start, I told you the client. What are clients? In the start of this topic, look, I told you here. Moving back. Yes. Now tell me what are clients?
Um,
Clients are the
the
computers
host devices?
which are connected with the server. Isn't it? Did you see these
Right.
computers? This is a client, this is a client, and this is a
Yeah,
client.
yeah.
So clients are the computers which are connected with the network, right? So let's see in detail. There is a model called client server model and peer-to-peer model, right? We have 2 different types of networks, client server network and peer-to-peer network. So let's discuss the types. There are 2 main models relating to the computer networks. The first one is called client server, and the second one is called peer-to-peer.
Okay. What is peer-to-peer?
Yes, I will discuss it, don't worry. Okay, first, starting with the topic of client server. In a client server network, there is at least one server. I told you about server. I told you already about server. Server is a main computer, right? And this main computer is connected with the other computers. That other computers are called clients or nodes, isn't it?
Right.
Are you getting it or not?
Yeah, I get it.
So look, I'm drawing a network for you again. How many computers are there?
Uh, 3.
3 computers.
4.
Yeah, three computer you can say. And the fourth one is a server. So
Yeah.
server is the main computer, isn't it?
Yeah.
And these other computers in the network are called clients. So this is a
Clients.
relationship between client and server. So the clients are the computers which have at least one server. So you can see I have make a one server only right here, which is powerful computer that provides the services to the network. Individual computers, such as a one in a typical school computer room, are referred as a client computers. Yes, in your school computer lab, you see the computers are there. That computers are client. So the server will authenticate the user and then give the user access to the files. He or she has been given permission to access. So if you wanted to do anything, you always need to take permission from whom? From server. So the server will grant you the access and then the clients are able to perform any task. Without the permission of the client, you cannot do anything. So first you need to take permission, and permission means you must have a password. If you input the correct password, you are able to access to the server. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
so the
get it. It's
server
easy.
provides services to the client as required. So whatever the services you need, you can access to the server and take the services. A client accesses data or files from a server using the following process. So there is a process. That is specific process makes you able to access a server. Number one, a client will make a connection to the server using its addresses. So you can see here in this small network diagram, the server is connected with the clients. So a client always need to connect with the server with the help of a specific addresses. The server will know the addresses of the client because this will include in the request for a connection. Yes, addresses. Addresses means that server and clients are connected with each other with the help of addresses. Address means they are connected with a specific way, with a specific permission, with a specific domain that must be known by the client. Once a connection has been made, like once they are connected with the help of address server with the clients,
Right.
that. So what happened? The client will make a service request to the server. So all the time, client and server are connected. They can send the request, and server, which is in a power, always takes the request and accept the request and fulfill the job given by the client or request by the client. Is it okay? Services. So if the request is valid, the server will send request data to the client using the addresses. So if the server is service is valid, the request is valid, the client is going to be connected with the server, and the address, whatever the address is there, will be established, connected, you can say. Sometimes additional steps such as authentication are needed. Yes, once you are going to connect with your home Wi-Fi, what is the thing the Wi-Fi always asks you?
Password.
Password. You input the password, then what happened?
Well, it
Give
loads and then it
access.
lets you connect.
Yes, it will
Yeah.
give access. So this is for authentication. So sometimes it happens that the server and client are connected with the help of password. You're going to input the correct password, you are allowed to access. Is that okay?
Yeah, I get it.
Great. Now what you have to do? You need to write down about LAN, WAN, and PAN. You need to make 2 points on each. Two,
Okay.
two, two, and send me the picture of your work.